Shake it like you move it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
Good morning mga BE! So it's our day 4 here in Bangkok. So for today's video, samahan niyo kami magpunta sa Ayutthaya. So nagbook kami ng tour. It's called Ayutthaya Temple. Ayutthaya Temple Tour. Ipa-flash ko sa screen yung nabook naming tour and then yung amount. Again, this is booked via Klook. Kaya kung new kayo sa channel namin, meron kaming Klook code, pwede nyo gamitin and up to 5% discount ang makuha ninyo. Yeah, so just use our code TOFBANA at Klook. Ayan. So, ang meeting place natin ay nasa isang hotel which is 15 minutes away from Pratunam kung saan kami nagsistay. And ganito yung Pratunam sa morning. It's 7:30 ba? No, 7:30 na ngayon na. Ayan no. Yan ang kita namin. So ito, nag-book na kami ng Bolt which is just a few minutes away. So sama kayo sa amin sa Ayutthaya Temples. Tara! Day 4 is Ayutthaya Day Tour na nabook namin via Klook. Tara, sama kayo as we explore Thailand's ancient capital in just one day.
Ang Bampain Royal Palace ay mas kilala bilang royal retreat kaysa religious site. Dito, chill walk lang habang ine-enjoy ang peaceful gardens at iniisip ang rich royal history ng Thailand.
Ayan, so unfortunately, we were not able to film inside the Bampain Palace because this is very sacred, holy, very precious to them kasi part ito ng royal family. Yan. Pero overall experience namin is maganda naman siya sa loob and maraming interesting na mga houses. Kasi parang ano siya eh,
May siyang compound ng royal
family na if I'm not mistaken, yung sabi ni ate kanina is yung king daw nila had 154 wives. Grabe. Lahat na napuntahan natin under construction.
The front door will be this side one. This side will be the Chao Phraya River in front of us. They flow from left to the sea at Bangkok. In the past, when the people under trouble want to meet the king, they came here by boat, come inside to meet the king in the palace. Right. You can see opposite side brown color house. Over there will be the resident of the king number 24, smarter 0.7 magnitude. One building in Bangkok. Everyone, if you see the new collapse of room, Ayutthaya here also well. But right now, they were checked by engineer already. We just wait for the UNESCO World Heritage come sign the name and took the island off. During you travel inside, don't worry, everyone. Checked by engineer already. Safe. Okay. The front shore of December will be that tree to the left. Everyone, follow me.
Masasabi mo talagang nasa probinsya ka ng Thailand. So ito mga biik yung Wat Chai Watanaram Conservation Temple na to is under construction right now because of the earthquake last March of this year. So may ongoing restoration na nagaganap. Next is Wat Chai Watanaram, iconic riverside temple. Dito makikita yung Khmer-style prang towers. Perfect backdrop for photos. So ayun guys, nandito na tayo ulit sa Wat Chai Watanaram.
Ito daw ang mini Angkor Wat kasi during the times way back, tinayo to ng Cambodian Kineme, if I'm not mistaken.
Oo. Influence nila ng yung parang naging hari dito is not pure Thai. So yung structures pala nitong mga to
is inspired sa Cambodian architecture.
Yeah, sobrang ganda.
Tapos kung mapapansin nyo guys, kung nandito na kayo, yung mga Buddha, mga walang ulo. So pag titingnan nyo, mga walang ulo sila. Ayan. Kasi, nung nagkaroon ng gera, parang pinutol nila yung mga ulo. Pinutol nila yung mga ulo ng mga Buddha kasi may mga
paniniwala sila.
Merong kasing nilalagay yung mga taga-Ayutthaya sa loob nung Buddha.
Yung throat ng Buddha.
Nalaman ng mga Cambodians or Myanmar ba? Kaya pinutol nila yung mga ulo.
Hindi, kasi pag naputol daw yung ulo, and then may nilalagay sila sa parang throat na part, yung ornament daw na nilalagay symbolizes na pag na-reincarnate siya, they will have a good life. They will be rich, ganyan. Sorry. Grabe.
Pero ayun nga, hindi lahat ng Buddha may laman yung loob.
Yun nga. So may catch, may parang...
ang ginawa nila, lahat na lang, pinutol nila para makuha nila lahat.
So may pagka-scam, diba? Apart na.
And take note guys, this is UNESCO Heritage Site.
Ayan mga biik, so nandito na kami sa harapan ng reclining Buddha. So ang sinabi nung aming tour guide is,
so hindi siya yung katulad nung nakikita nyo ngayon sa
Google, nirepaint daw siya ng parang yellow to
parang may nagbisita.
May bad vibe, ganyan.
Tsaka may bumisita na.
Para hindi mausog. Anyways,
tas yun, you can mag-pray daw kayo dito para hindi ka sundan ng enemies.
Yes, hindi. Pag may kaaway kami sumusunod sa'yo, pray ka lang. Yes. Yeah. So, yan. Kunyari mga evil eye, yan. Dito yan. So,
ngayon, saan pa tayo pupunta?
Magla-lunch na tayo.
Ayun, kainan na daw.
So, magla-lunch tayo ng 1 hour. Let's go!
Na mo tatsa.
Na mo tatsa.
Kakawato.
Kakawato.
Arahato.
Arahato.
Samma.
Samma.
Sambuddhassa. Sawahom.
Sawahom.
Everyone, you put your hand, 2 hands in the same time, touch your head from front to back 3 times. เหมือนมัวโถชงเฉียนเมียนมัวเต้าหัวเมียนซัน and everyone please put your hand together and speak one word loud noise. Sadhu. Sadhu. Everyone, sadhu means the thing that you pray here. Everyone, let protect everyone. In the future, if you under trouble, let the angel nearby you. Everyone, protect everyone. Help everyone pass every problems in front of you until forever. Everyone, let a happy life happen to your life forever. Everyone, sadhu ครับ sadhu ครับ各位这个是。Found that Ayutthaya were burned, destroyed by Myanmar. They also sad because they also Buddhist. Later they donated some money, join together with Thai people and reconstruction of and open to public. Everyone, so.
Then we head to Wat Phra Sisanthet, once part of the Royal Palace grounds. Famous ito sa tatlong giant pagoda, symbol of the old Ayutthaya.
King number 1 of Ayutthaya dynasty. After our king, number 1 used this palace and passed away. So our king, they start to build the first temple, first pagoda like this.
Pagoda.
Corner. So during your travel inside this temple, everyone can see 33 pagoda around the temple. King number 1 until king number 33. Inside the pagoda, they kept the ashes of the king, the highest king.
This is the oldest temple here in Ayutthaya. And sabi ng tour guide, kung hindi ka makapunta dito at wala kang picture dyan, ibig sabihin hindi ka pa nakapag
Ayutthaya.
Yes. It's for the power and to the universe.
So meron dito, if I'm not mistaken, 33 na pagoda.
Yes, they have.
Andun daw yung mga buto ng mga naging kings. So naamoy ko na yung ihi nung elepante.
Guys, natsyempohan natin na may elephant. Oh my God! Oh! Ang bilis! Ala! Ang bilis! Of course, hindi complete without Wat Mahathat, home of the world-famous Buddha head na nakapalupot sa 3 roots. Iconic spot for every tourist. Thank you, Poishan, for the umbrella. Charis.
Like this pagoda, 154 years ago, our king number 5 of Bangkok dynasty, he came here, took this photo by himself. At the time, this pagoda it's 50 meters tall, long time ago, 50 meters tall, and it was said that they have the earthquake in Myanmar effect to Thailand. This pagoda they shake a little bit and collapse out. Right now, just only 30% left. The time passed a period, 1 year, Thai people came back again and explored this temple one more time. They're carving about the history of Ayutthaya dynasty. They said that one thing found put it near this stone inscription will be this casket. When they open 7 times, open 7 times, the innermost inside they found this one contain the relics of the Lord Buddha inside. The stone inscription they said that India gave to Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka gave to Ayutthaya king. At the top right hand side, this one in the history textbook they said that they covered by the precious stone, real gold, many things, one valuable thing, ornaments. When we fight with Myanmar, we lost the war to Myanmar. This temple, our temple will burn all.
Ito reaction ko habang nagsasalita si ate.
Of the Buddha image, Here also the Buddha defied with Myanmar in the year 767. So this temple 651 year, Buddha's head 250.
Grabe. Sorry. Oh!
Ayun siya dahil.
Wat Yai Chaya Mongkol. Wat Yai Chaya Mongkol.
In the same time, we have some power. Local Thai people, Buddhist people, when we come to this temple, we walk from right to left. They pray some ceremony. It means bring power to you. If you walk from left to right, it's like a normal power only. So that's why let's one start with this Kodai one. You can see many people, not many people today. A lot of people they walk up inside.
Guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Wat Chaya. Hindi ko masabi yung name.
Yan, ipa-flash natin.
Pa-flash natin. Ang hirap sabihin ng name niya. And then, we're climbing 66 steps para makita natin yung success. Para makapag-wish tayo. Tama?
Yes. Sa tuktok ng Great Chedi ng Wat Yai Chai Mongkol, may maliit na shrine kung saan ang locals at tourists ay nag-aalay ng incense, flowers at coins bilang paggawa ng good deed.
Tahimik at solemn ang spot na to. Kaya perfect para sa isang quick prayer bago lumabas at ma-enjoy ang breathtaking panoramic view ng Ayutthaya. Ganito siya pababa. Mababa lang naman 66 steps pero nakakahingal siya.
Meron ding nagtatry ng Shem Si Fortune Sticks for a personal blessing. A beautiful mix of culture and spirituality habang ine-explore ang historic temple na to.
At maraming tourists ang nagla-light ng incense, nag-o-offer ng flower at nagdadasal sa giant reclining Buddha for good luck and safe travels. Lalo na sa mga pinanganak ng Tuesday gaya ko. So that's it for our Ayutthaya Temple tour. So overall, I would say na sobrang nakaka-enjoy siya.
Informative.
And highly recommend for you guys to book etong specific na tour na to via Klook kasi yung My Pro Guide, sobrang proactive ng mga tour guide nila.
Tapos mega explain talaga sila ng history ng place.
Yes.
Kaya kung bago kayo sa channel namin, meron kaming Klook code, TOF Banaag Klook.
Up to 5% discount. Ayan.
Ayan, i-link namin sa description box yung tour package na to. Pwede nyo i-book sa Klook.
Yes. So again, thank you so much for watching our vlogs mga biik. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Biik Adventures. Bye!